Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ford F-150 power steering problem and the potential problems associated with it. This video discusses common issues reported by Ford owners and potential causes. This information is for general awareness and may not apply to every vehicle. Always consult a certified mechanic or dealership for specific concerns. Power steering problems in the Ford F-150 are commonly described as heavy or stiff steering, whining or groaning noises while turning, intermittent loss of steering assist, or warning messages related to steering assist. Verified owner reports and service information show that power steering concerns have been reported across multiple Ford F-150 model years and generations, with causes varying based on steering system type, engine configuration, mileage, and maintenance history. One verified and frequently reported cause involves low or contaminated power steering fluid in hydraulic systems. Fluid leaks from hoses, seals, or steering components can reduce hydraulic pressure, leading to increased steering effort and noise during turns. Another confirmed cause relates to power steering pump wear or failure. A worn pump may produce whining noises and fail to deliver consistent pressure, especially at low speeds or during parking maneuvers. Electric power-assisted steering system issues have also been documented in newer model years. Faults in the steering rack, assist motor, or control module can result in reduced or lost steering assist, sometimes accompanied by warning messages. Steering rack-related problems are another verified factor. Internal wear or leaks within the rack and pinion assembly can cause inconsistent steering response, stiffness, or fluid loss in hydraulic systems. Electrical and sensor-related issues have also been reported. Faulty steering angle sensors, wiring issues, or poor electrical connections can interfere with steering assist operation, particularly in electronically assisted systems. Other potential contributing factors, which are not confirmed in every case, may include belt-related issues on pump-driven systems, alignment-related stress, or software-related control behavior. These should be treated strictly as possibilities and confirmed through proper diagnostic testing. Common solutions reported by technicians and owners include checking fluid level and condition, inspecting for leaks, testing power steering pump performance, scanning for steering-related fault codes, updating software when applicable, and repairing or replacing faulty steering components once confirmed. Repairs depend on accurate diagnosis and vehicle-specific conditions. Owner feedback trends indicate that some Ford F-150 power steering complaints are resolved through fluid service or component repair, while others require steering rack or assist system replacement. Outcomes vary by model year, steering system type, and vehicle usage. In conclusion, Ford F-150 power steering problems are typically linked to fluid-related issues, pump wear, steering rack faults, or electronic assist system failures. The exact cause differs by vehicle, generation, and model year, making professional diagnosis essential. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.